Do your knees feel like old rusty hinges? Does every step, every bend, every attempt to climb stairs bring a dull ache or even a sharp pain? If you're over 50, you're not alone. Many people start to notice their joints, especially their knees, becoming less forgiving. It's easy to feel like you're losing a piece of your independence, the ability to enjoy those walks, play with grandkids, or even just garden without discomfort. But here's the thing. You have incredible power to change this. I'm Dr. David Thompson, and my mission is to help people like you, active, vibrant seniors, maintain and even rebuild your health. Today, in this crucial video, the second in our Health After 50 series, I'm going to reveal the ultimate diet to keep your cartilage strong and resilient. These are scientifically grounded, actionable food choices that your knees are truly begging for. Stick with me until the end to discover the one fruit that is a true collagen booster for your joints. And let me know in the comments, what's the biggest challenge your knees face every day? Diet essential number 1, the ancient joint elixir. Let's kick things off with diet essential number 1, bone broth. This isn't just a trendy health food. It's an ancient remedy that science is now strongly validating. Here's why it's so powerful. Bone broth is rich in collagen, gelatin, and amino acids like proline and glycine. These are the exact building blocks that your body uses to create and repair cartilage. Think of collagen as the flexible scaffolding of your joints. As we age, our natural collagen production slows down, and broth helps replenish those vital supplies. A study in the journal Current Medical Research and Opinion showed that collagen supplementation could significantly reduce joint pain. How to use it? It's incredibly simple. Sip a warm mug of bone broth daily. You can buy high-quality pre-made broth or make your own. You can also use it as the base for soups, stews, or even to cook rice. It's warm, comforting, and packed with joint-healing goodness. You'll be surprised how quickly this can become a comforting ritual that keeps you moving freely. Before we move on, let's do a quick personal check-in. Just try to gently bend and straighten your knee a few times. How does that feel? If you're feeling any stiffness, these next tips are going to be even more important for you. This is part of a series designed to help you live your best life after 50. If you're enjoying these practical tips and want to keep your body feeling younger, please take a second to hit that like button right now and subscribe to my channel. It means the world to me and helps us share this vital information with more people. Thank you. Diet essential number 2, berries, the colorful anti-inflammatory powerhouses. Diet essential number 2 is a vibrant and delicious choice. Berries. Think blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, and cherries. These little powerhouses are absolutely bursting with antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins. What do antioxidants do for your knees? They are phenomenal anti-inflammatories. Remember, inflammation is the enemy of healthy cartilage. Antioxidants neutralize the free radicals that can damage joint tissues and contribute to pain. A study published in Arthritis Research and Therapy highlighted how powerful certain fruit extracts, rich in these compounds, can be in reducing inflammation and pain in osteoarthritis. How to use it? This is incredibly easy and delicious. Add a handful of mixed berries to your morning porridge or Greek yogurt. Blend them into a smoothie, or simply enjoy them as a refreshing snack. They're sweet, satisfying, and your joints will thank you for the daily dose of natural anti-inflammatory medicine. Diet essential number 3, the sunshine vitamin for bone and cartilage. Diet essential number 3 is less about a food group and more about a crucial nutrient. Vitamin D. Often called the sunshine vitamin, many of us, especially as we get older, don't get enough. Here's why it's critical for your knees. Vitamin D plays a fundamental role in calcium absorption and bone health. Strong bones are the critical foundation for healthy joints. But it doesn't stop there. Research has also linked adequate vitamin D levels with better cartilage health and reduced risk of osteoarthritis progression. It's not just about strong bones. It's about a strong joint ecosystem. How to get it? The best source is sunshine, but diet helps significantly. Look for fatty fish like salmon and mackerel, egg yolks, and fortified foods like some milk and cereals. If you're concerned about your levels, ask your doctor about a simple blood test. Ensuring enough vitamin D helps you feel stronger and move easier. Diet essential number 4, avocado, your healthy fat friend. Let's move to diet essential number 4, the creamy, delicious avocado. This fruit, yes, it's a fruit, is a powerhouse for joint health. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, which are fantastic for reducing systemic inflammation throughout your body. But more specifically, they contain compounds called phytosterols and vitamin E, both known for their anti-inflammatory properties. Beyond that, the healthy fats in avocado can help improve the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins, like our crucial vitamin D. Think of it as a natural lubricant and soother for your joints. How to use it? You can add sliced avocado to your salads, mash it on wholemeal toast, a classic in Australia and the UK, or blend it into a creamy smoothie. It takes minutes and adds a wonderful texture and a huge boost of nutrients. This habit doesn't just help your joints, it keeps your whole body feeling healthier for years. Diet essential number 5, green tea, more than just a drink. Diet essential number 5 might surprise you, but it's a simple pleasure with profound benefits. Green tea. Green tea is renowned for its high concentration of polyphenols, especially a powerful antioxidant called epigallocatechin galate, EGCG. Scientific studies, including one published in Arthritis and Rheumatology, have shown that EGCG can actually help protect cartilage from degradation. It acts like a shield, defending your joint tissues from the enzymes that can break them down. It's not just a refreshing drink, it's a daily dose of joint protection. How to use it? Simply swap one of your regular hot drinks for a cup of green tea. Aim for 2 to 3 cups a day. It's an easy, enjoyable way to incorporate powerful joint protective compounds into your routine. This simple change contributes to staying active and enjoying life's moments. Diet essential number 6, the power of cruciferous vegetables. Let's talk about diet essential number 6, cruciferous vegetables. I'm talking about broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and cabbage. These vegetables are absolute superstars. They are packed with sulforaphane, a compound that has been shown in research from the University of East Anglia to actually slow down cartilage destruction in joints. It's like a secret weapon against the wear and tear we associate with aging. They also contain vitamin C and vitamin K, both vital for healthy collagen production and bone density. How to use it? Steam some broccoli or cauliflower as a side dish with dinner. Roast Brussels sprouts with a little olive oil until they're crispy. Add shredded cabbage to stir-fries or soups. These simple additions can make a profound difference to your long-term joint health. Diet essential number 7, the collagen-boosting fruit your knees crave. And now, for the ultimate diet essential. The collagen-boosting fruit your knees are truly craving. Oranges and citrus fruits in general. Why oranges? They are brimming with vitamin C. And here's the critical part. Vitamin C is absolutely essential for the production of collagen in your body. Without sufficient vitamin C, your body simply cannot make healthy collagen, which is the main protein found in cartilage, bones, and connective tissues. Think of vitamin C as the construction foreman for your joint repair crew. Research has consistently shown its vital role in collagen synthesis and its anti-inflammatory effects. Your knees need this scaffolding. How to use it? It's so simple. Enjoy a whole orange as a snack. Add segments to a salad. Or for a refreshing boost, have a small glass of fresh orange juice with breakfast. Remember, these steps get you to a place where you can chase your grandkids without pain. This is truly where it gets interesting. Small, consistent dietary choices build stronger, more resilient joints. As a bonus tip, I can't emphasize this enough. Stay hydrated. Your cartilage is over 70% water. If you're dehydrated, your cartilage loses its cushioning ability, making it stiff and prone to damage. It's like trying to walk on deflated tires. How to use it? Make water your primary drink. Keep a water bottle handy throughout the day. Set an alarm if you need to. It's the simplest yet most overlooked strategy for joint health. So, there you have it. The ultimate diet to keep your cartilage strong after 50. From the collagen-rich bone broth and vitamin C in oranges to the anti-inflammatory power of berries and green tea, these aren't just foods. They're your allies in the fight for lifelong mobility. These actionable steps can truly transform your energy, reduce pain, and boost your mobility. Imagine enjoying that morning walk without stiffness, getting down on the floor to play with your pets, or simply feeling confident in every step you take. These steps get you there. If you're ready to make these changes and feel the difference, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next video in this series. I'd love to know, which of these diet tips are you excited to try first to nourish your knees? Share it in the comments below. And if you want to explore more ways to boost your overall health and vitality, make sure to check out our previous video. 7 natural foods that rebuild knee cartilage and relieve joint pain fast. You won't want to miss our next one either. Unlock ageless energy, the morning routine that powers your day after 60. Thank you for watching, and here's to strong, healthy knees for years to come.